This is AUDUSD and today it's Sunday, 14th of September 2014, before the markets open for the new trading week. I'm Sofia Stavropoulou and this is a video signal for Forex ID Academy members and FXholics Forex Signals apps users. I'm using Ichimoku Kinko Hio, Bollinger Bands, Fractals and Stochastics. Starting from the highest time frame monthly of the pair, I will look for a nice entry, a nice trade setup using my 4 time frames Ichimoku strategy. So at monthly I am looking for a fresh price Tenkan-sen cross, and I have it, and it's bearish. So I see a big body bearish candlestick crossing and closing below Tenkan-sen. Tenkan-sen is the red line of Ichimoku Kinko Hio on monthly time frame, and that will be the highest of the 4 time frames. So on the weekly, my second entry rule is to see a bearish Kumo breakout validated by Chikou span on weekly, and yes, I see it. Chikou span is about to cross below price action. It is already below the Kumo, so it will validate the Kumo breakout. Second entry condition is met. Third entry condition on daily, I want to see 100% bearish picture, and I see it. And the fourth entry condition on H4 is to wait for a correction. What I want here, I want to see something like this here. An upward move, a strong bullish price Tenkan-sen cross. I don't care how long the upward move after the cross will be, but I will not enter unless I see the price crossing and closing with a big body candlestick below Tenkan-sen. So in order to enter short and take this big downward ride with the markets, I have to wait for a correction. The bigger the correction, the better. I would prefer to have a correction all the way up to the median Bollinger Band before I enter short. So when I will enter, and that will happen only after the correction is a fact, I will enter only after I see a bullish correction, a bullish price Tenkan-sen cross on H4, then an upward move, and then a downward move, and the cross of Tenkan-sen of Ichimoku Kinko Hio red line. Now, before I continue with the stop loss placement and take profit target, because I don't want to forget all this study I have made, I will insert text, a reminder message here on my chart saying what I'm going to do. Sell after a bullish correction on H4 time frame, which is the 4th of my system. So at one glance, the vertical line here and this message, this reminder, will help me get the ball from where I left it. So it will be easier for me at a glance to look at my studies and say, oh, okay, I have to wait another hour, or I have to wait another 4 hours to see what is going to, if the bullish price Tenkan-sen cross will happen, or if the bullish correction is over and the bearish price Tenkan-sen cross is expected. So I can easily evaluate the time, the speed of the price actions before I enter to the direction of the main trend. Stop loss placement. If we enter short at the vicinity of the median Bollinger Band on H4 time frame, placing our stop loss at the upper Bollinger Band or a few pips above it, or above the upper border of the Kumo would be ideal. Alternatively, you can place your stop loss 100 to 150 pips away from your entry, in this case above your entry, and take profit target. Take profit target would be a few pips above the lower Bollinger Band, or at least the price level of this down fractal here at 0.8660. That can be the take profit target for now, which is huge. We are talking about a lot of pips. And this is one way to collect the profits. The other way is by surfing if you have the luxury of time. So once you enter from H4, if all conditions are met, of course, which means once you enter from H4, enter short, because you saw the upward corrective move happening and then being completed, and because you saw a strong big body bearish candlestick just crossing below Tenkan-sen, then you can switch to M15 and exit every time the stochastics are making a bullish crossover, preferably in the oversold zone below 20 level line. If you see a bullish crossover there, exit, wait patiently, and you can enter again short with a bearish price Tenkan-sen cross on M15, which is many time frames smaller than H1, but gives you it's 2 time frames smaller, but the reason we choose it is because it gives you statistical validity with your entries and laser precision cut with your exits. So this is it. Thanks for watching and many happy pips.